South 32, winds gusting to 17.
No, be careful.
Oh.
In northeast Ohio.
I'm trying to do a weekly just without making my Cowboys paper crack.
Down cloudy 36.
Then 7.
Winds gusting to 28. And Cleveland mostly sunny 38. Winds gusting to 23. In southwest Kansas, Pittsburgh cloudy at 36
One of
degrees.
my favorite
Winds
bands, and it has a gun. Like the album cover I drew has a gun on it. What? No. The album cover that I drew has a gun on it, and
Oh.
He wouldn't let it go, so I just let it go.
Ooh.
I don't know if it's really challenging. He says that he's being bullied or something. I was like, I tried to talk him through it to explain that nothing's going to come of this if you talk about just the fact that they say little things to you. You just need to stop responding to it. He just